Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
Cause
next
I don't
to
give
me.
a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up,
LGS.
I'ma do it my way.
Alhamdulillah, akhirnya kita sudah sampai nih di Muara Kuntul. Lumayan melelahkan karena perjalanan memakan waktu hampir 2 jam dari rumah sampai ke Muara Kuntul. Teman saya juga udah gak sabar nih untuk melakukan trek di Muara Kuntul. Jangan lupa perbekalan kita untuk di sana nanti, karena sebentar lagi kita berangkat ke lokasi bagan Muara Kuntul. Iya, kita berangkat bareng nih dari pemancing Cikarang Bekasi. Ya udah, kita langsung let's go, bersiap-siap untuk berangkat ke lokasi mancing kita kali ini. Oke, ikuti terus keseruannya.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving.
Nah, ini dia nih bagan yang bakal kita tempatin nanti. Tinggi banget ya. Perjalanan dari darat ke bagan itu sekitar kurang lebih itu setengah jam.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Balik lagi bersama channel Apang Rese. Kali ini kita mancing di Muara Kuntul. Muara Kuntul tempatnya lumayan bagus nih spotnya nih. Karena kita sudah 2 bulan kurang lebih lah nggak mancing-mancing, nggak bikin konten juga. Baru hari ini sempet waktunya ada. Jadinya kita mancing berangkat hari ini. Oke, ikuti keseruannya terus. Oh iya, saya juga mancing di sini nggak sendiri. Saya bertiga sama teman saya juga nih. Ada Bang Ujang. Bang Ujang,
siap.
say hi.
Lagi ngumpanin.
Bang Eno. Ya, kali ini kita mancing bertiga. Oke, ikuti terus keseruannya. Let's go. Di sini umpan yang saya pakai itu udang hidup. Baru aja nih lempar joran, punya temen udah dimakan nih. Strike dia.
You don't wanna see me mad, I'll be coming with that payback. You don't wanna taste that, don't wanna see me on attack. Trust me, you don't wanna face that adrenaline, I crave that. Yeah, you know I'm nasty, I'm about to be a savage. When I want it, better have it. Nothing's getting past me, about to take this to the mat, and you'll be wishing you could take it back, yeah.
Like an assassin, I'm praying, I gotta act on a craving. I'm coming after, I'm chasing, I'm gonna capture, erasing. Yeah, those who cross me, you'll be crossed off, cause I'm plotting, about to pop off. You can't stop me, winning is exhausting, but I don't plan on stopping, as long as they keep talking. I got these bodies dropping, as long as they keep walking. I'll keep making deposits, they'll find out they can't stop it, cause they'll learn that I'm a prophet.
Saya pun strike nih, ikan beronang. Dagingnya mantap nih. Sambil nunggu sambaran datang, kita ngopi dulu. Indo Cafe. Di kejauhan sana banyak nelayan lagi mencari ikan.
You don't wanna see me mad, I'll be coming with that payback. You don't wanna taste that, don't wanna see me on attack. Trust me, you don't wanna face that adrenaline, I crave that. Yeah, you know I'm nasty.
Di kolong bagan pun banyak banget tuh ikan lagi pada berenang tuh. Coba lihat, ada yang lihat nggak? Tuh pada ngumpul ikannya tuh. Saya mencoba untuk mancing di kolong bagan nih. Untuk umpan saya menggunakan udang mati nih. Dan untuk kail saya menggunakan kail yang kecil karena ikannya nggak terlalu besar di sana, tapi banyak ikannya di sana. Yuk langsung kita eksekusi. Belum sempat lempar tapi teman udah dapat nih strike dia.
Nothing's getting past me, about to take this to the mat, and you'll be wishing you could take it back, yeah.
Like an assassin, I'm praying, I gotta act on a craving. I'm coming after, I'm chasing, I'm gonna capture, erasing. Yeah, those who cross me, you'll be crossed off, cause I'm plotting, about to pop off. You can't stop me, winning is exhausting, but I don't plan on stopping, as long as they keep talking. I got these bodies dropping.
Karena kita belum sarapan, akhirnya kita memutuskan untuk sarapan dulu nih, biar nggak lemes nanti narik ikan besarnya. Selesai makan, saya strike ikan apa ya ini ya. Bentuknya aneh banget tuh, ada 3 tanduk dia. Serem ya. Ikan apa nih ya? Ada yang tahu nggak nih ikan apa? Dan saya pun strike lagi nih, ikan beronang, tapi kenanya di perut. Tuh lihat tuh, ikan beronang.
You don't wanna see me mad, I'll be coming with that payback. You don't wanna taste that, don't wanna see me on attack. Trust me, you don't wanna face that adrenaline, I crave that. Yeah, you know I'm nasty, I'm about to be a savage. When I want it, better have it. Nothing's getting past me, about to take this to the mat, and you'll be wishing you could take it back, yeah.
Like an assassin, I'm praying, I gotta act on a craving. I'm coming after, I'm chasing, I'm gonna capture, erasing. Yeah, those who cross me, you'll be crossed off, cause I'm plotting, about to pop off. You can't stop me, winning is exhausting, but I don't plan on stopping, as long as they keep talking. I got these bodies dropping, as long as they keep walking. I'll keep making deposits, they'll find out they
today what it feels to regret. You can't stop me now. The beat's heavy now.
Cause I'm seeing no red.
Ikan kolong bagan. Tidak terasa akhirnya kita sudah dijemput sama Kapten Aib yang punya Muara Kuntul. Akhirnya kita prepare untuk kembali pulang. Terima kasih untuk teman-teman yang sudah mengikuti video dari awal sampai akhir. Jangan lupa subscribe, dukung channel kami. Saya ucapkan terima kasih banyak. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.